In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage company settings in QuickBooks Time using the browser version. Start by opening your preferred web browser and logging into QuickBooks Time with an account that has admin access. Using a supported, up-to-date browser helps everything load smoothly. If you don't see certain options later on, it may be a permissions issue, so double-check your access level. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Company Settings. This is your control center for how your team tracks time, how payroll rules apply, and how your account behaves. Begin with company details. Here you can review and update your company name, address, time zone, and other core information. This is also where you can upload a custom logo to personalize invoices and reports. Use a clear image file and preview it to ensure it looks sharp. Don't forget to save your changes as you go to avoid losing updates. Next, open Account and Billing. This section lets you view and manage your Intuit subscriptions, including your current plan and billing details. It's useful for checking your renewal date, confirming the correct plan is active, and making sure your payment method is current. Only admins should make changes here. Head to Payroll and Overtime to set your pay schedules and overtime rules. Choose the schedule that matches how your team is paid, like weekly or bi-weekly, and configure overtime calculations to align with your local labor regulations. Be precise here. Accurate rules help ensure correct reporting and cleaner payroll exports. Under Time Options, configure how your team enters time. Decide whether you want clock-in and clock-out tracking, manual time entry, or both. This is also where you can set rounding rules, enable required notes, or control options for breaks and time off. Keep settings simple to reduce mistakes. Select Location to manage location tracking and geofencing. You can prompt team members to clock in when they enter a work area and remind them to clock out when they leave. Set a reasonable geofence radius and communicate your policy clearly so your team knows tracking applies only to work-related time. Click My Team to manage team-related settings like roles, permissions, and groups. Setting clear access helps managers review and approve time while keeping sensitive areas limited to admins. Go to Notifications to manage system and alert notifications. Choose email or mobile alerts for things like timesheet submissions, approvals, or missed punches. Keep critical alerts on and minimize non-essential ones to avoid notification fatigue. Finally, open System Log to review account activity and changes. Use filters by date or user to trace updates and troubleshoot issues with confidence. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.